Hello, in this video I will show you how you can avail the free WordPress hosting to practice your WordPress skills. Kindly subscribe our channel so you can get our latest update time to time. So let's start. Go to pantheon.io, search Pantheon and click on this. After opening, click on get started. After that, fill this form. Okay, enter the password and select the country. And check on this and agree to Pantheon term and conditions and sign up. Let's wait. Okay, so there is a problem. I will click on this connect with Google and I will select my account. And okay, agree to Pantheon term of use and continue. Okay, okay, our account is created. Let's create our site. Go to sites and after that create a free site. Click on this. Click on WordPress and type your domain here. Here is your domain name, complete domain name. I mean site URL. Okay, I will enter here slimweb and here is my domain. Okay, I will select the region and continue. So the WordPress is deploying. Let's wait and continue after. We will continue after this completed. So our WordPress is deployed. Visit the Pantheon site dashboard. Here is our Pantheon dashboard. So visit your development site and also the site admin. So our WordPress installation is began. Click on select your language, English, and continue. Enter your title, website title here. And select your username. Okay, I will enter my email here. As it is our practice site, so check on this. So it will not appear on search engine. Install WordPress. So our WordPress is installed. So our WordPress is installed. Let's log in to the WordPress dashboard, and the WordPress dashboard is logged in. So it's working perfectly. Also, everything is working. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks for watching.